Hello, my name is Krishna and I'm going to talk through Oasys Shell LS-DYNA submission panel redesign. Oasys Shell provides you with an easy way to access each stage of analysis from model setup in Oasys Prima to visualization in D3 plot, curve and report generation in THS and Reporter. Also, it provides the Oasys license details via the status button. It must be noted that Shell is packaged with Oasys installation and does not need any license to be launched. However, the other Oasys and LS-DYNA licenses are required to run them from within the shell. Shell 19 keeps all the functionality from the previous versions and streamlines the workflow for LS-DYNA job submission. The ability to access manuals, set themes across pre-processing and post-processing softwares, and launching softwares with preset options are all present. We have added help text for all the widgets in all the shell panels to give the user a better understanding of the feature in use. Shell 18 LS-DYNA submission panel contained a large number of input options with additional panels accessed through various buttons within the panel. For Shell 19, we have reorganized the LS-DYNA submission panel into 4 tabs and made the frequently used options easily accessible within the main submission tab. This includes selection of LS-DYNA executable, number of CPUs, and submission options. We have also added an LS-DYNA command line preview, which you can learn more about in our other shell video. Input-Output tab hosts all the LS-DYNA options to do with input files needed for job submission and output files generated by LS-DYNA, such as CTF files and D3 part files. These options were previously available in the additional options panel that was accessed via a button in the main submission panel. Restart tab hosts the restart section where users can directly select any D3 dump or DPF files from their previous LS-DYNA runs to restart the submission. Post-processing tab provides options to run either D3 plot, THS, or Reporter to run automatically with preset options. This is used to post-process results immediately after LS-DYNA submission. Let us quickly do LS-DYNA submission. Let's use a single precision SMP R11 LS-DYNA executable for submission. Please notice that Shell has already picked up executable from the Dyna versions file. This file is in the Oasys installation folder and contains a list of LS-DYNA executables that can be used to run the submission. If the Dyna versions file is not available or if the file does not list any LS-DYNA executable entries, you can select a local LS-DYNA executable to run the submission. By choosing local LS-DYNA executable from the drop-down and navigating to an LS-DYNA executable via folder selection, let's select an input file. In this video, we are doing a keyword file submission, but we could also select a list of keyword files to run multiple runs sequentially via the file format option. Now giving the number of CPUs and memory limit completes the minimum inputs that are needed for an LS-DYNA submission. If we wanted, we could navigate to Input-Output tab and request additional output files. You can go ahead and hit submit to submit your LS-DYNA job. To know more about what's new in Shell and other softwares, please click on What's New button in Manuals pop-up. Thank you.